Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm excited to do unboxing with my Temu order. So ito is first time ko mag-order sa website nila, but actually my husband has been ordering from them and it's actually pretty nice. It arrived very early, or yeah, ang bilis-bilis. So in order ko to, hindi nga to nag 1 week. Kasi in order ko to, I think it's Saturday or Sunday. And today is only Thursday. So, ayan. Ito yung package niya. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan yung package. And then, wala akong scissor. So, heavy siya. So, mostly is, let's see if this all fit. So, I order for me and for my kids. So, ayan yung packaging niya. So, ito parang Shein din to. Ito guys, so, ayan. Excited. So, this one is for my daughter. Oh guys, maganda. Kahit yung tela niya maganda. Ayan. Oh, ang cute. I like the sizes guys. Kasi ayan, oh, tamang-tama. Tapos alam niyo guys, oh, ang cute-cute naman ito. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan yung kaparis niya. Wow! So, tama talaga. So, yung sizes niya is true to size. Ayan. So, this is 9 years. Ayan, pang 9 years old. Wow, guys! I like the material. It's very nice. Hindi yung parang mumurahin na material. Although, mura siya. Yung price is mura. Pero yung materials niya ang ganda. I'm very impressed. That's the first one. I'm already impressed. Ayan. So guys, ang cute naman ito. Ayan o. So pants siya. Ayan na. Malapad. Parang square pants. Diba noon may mga square pants tayong tinatawag? So ayan, kapares siya. So salmon color or whatever you call this, rose gold, but I call this salmon color. Oh, it's almost, this is just a little bit darker than my sleepwear. So that's one. And then, ito pa siguro is, yeah, so, ayan guys, another set. Oh guys, tamang-tama, I like the sizes. Kasi yung sizes nila is hindi masyadong malaki, yung tama lang talaga sa age niya. Especially kasi yung daughter ko is payatot. O ayan, kahit yung mga waistline niya is tamang-tama. Kasi usually is, ang hirap ko makabili ng dress for my daughter. Kasi nga is, yun nga, diba, medyo taas-taas or hindi naman kataasan. So, tapos, pero, yung height is okay. Pero yung body is, maluwag kasi, very slim yung body ng aking anak. Kaya ito, pero this one is, I like their sizes. And even the material, it doesn't feel cheap. It actually feels really nice. See? Yeah, it's very nice. And this is another one. This is pants na maluwag siya. So, maraming space. Ayan. So, two for two. Next one is, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I see. So, this one is the 3 pieces set. Ayan. So, ito yung, ayan. O, diba? Pang everyday, ano, pwede rin pang school. O, diba? Ang cute. So, may kaparis na siya. Oh. Shirt. So, bali, tatlong set. Tatlong pairs. One set. Tapos, tatlong pairs. So, ayan. May green. Tapos, ito may tan. Oh, cute naman ito. I'm excited talaga. Tapos, this one is parang, ano bang tawag doon? Yung mga lighter na yellow. Pero, I'm not sure why it's different on the camera. Pero ang ganda niya. Tapos, yung materials nila guys, I cannot get over sa materials. Kasi maganda yung materials. Even though yung price niya is cheap. Pero yung materials niya is very nice. Tapos yung mga tahi-tahi, ayan, mga tahi, maganda rin yung pagkakatahi. So, I'm impressed. Ayan, tapos, I'm not sure what this one. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna show this to you. Yes, that's underwear. Even that, see, you can actually feel na hindi siya yung mumurahin na material. So, although mura, pero yung mga ano niya, basta, I'm impressed. Ito naman is mga swimwear ng mga Junakis. O kahit ito, tingnan nyo. Ayan, ito is for the head. Tapos, ang ganda nito guys kasi, ayan, ma-adjust mo. Kumpara sa ibang ano, kasi yung ibang swimwear na shorts, hanggang dito lang yung pwede mong may adjust. So, let's see, payat ka is hanggang dun lang, hindi mo matatight siya. Pero ito is all away. Ang ganda talaga guys, kahit ito. Ayan, so set na siya. This is for my, what's the size of this one? I think this is for my oldest son. Or for my second one. I'm not, well, I'm just gonna look. Yeah guys, so, ayan, 3 pieces yung one set. May sa ulo, tapos yung set ng pants and shirts. So, i-separate ko siya para alam ko. And then, what's next? Ay, hindi ko na ito papakita mga ano niya. Ayan, so, another set of swimwear. Maganda talaga, guys. O, ayan. So, ayan. Kahit malalaki yung ano, waist niya, maganda kasi very adjustable. Ayan. O, diba? I think this is for my oldest one. O, tingnan nyo guys, I don't even know that it comes with this headpiece. Diba? Yes. Oh yeah, this is for my oldest one. Ang ganda niya guys, super. Maganda. Impressive, huh? So, this is for my oldest one. Kasi magsusimming ulit sila. And then, I think I get 2 sets for each. Ito for my second son, yep. Yep. Ayan, ang cute. Very cute, long sleeve siya. Ayan. Long sleeve. Ito naman is tight siya, tight. Tight yung ano niya. Ayan. Wow. Pero parang na-order ko ba yung maliit? But I think it's good. Yeah, I think it's just how it is. Ayan, so. Ayan, pero magaganda talaga yung tela niya. I like it already. I think I'm gonna be ordering from them more. And then, ito guys, another set for my daughter. Ayan. Ang ganda ng design niya. Tingnan niyo talaga guys, yung tela niya is super ganda. Ayan, hindi siya yung mainit or ano kasi parang mga cotton or kahit na ano may ano, hindi siya yung basta, hindi yung mumurahin na feel. Oh, ayan, set na din siya kasi pag bumibili ako guys is gusto ko yung set para hindi ako nahihirapan mag pair. Ayan. So, set. Tapos this one, I think this is for my oldest one. Kasi, trial ko lang muna siya, guys. Ayan, ito is long pants naman siya. Maganda siya, oh. Let me see the size. I don't know why I keep saying 140. Yeah, this is for my oldest one. Yep. Kasi tight siya. Parang ma-exciting na, pero umuunat siya. Kasi gano'n naman talaga yung pang swimming, diba? So, very stretchable. Tapos, meron pa ba tayo? Ayan. So, kumuha rin ako ng wow! I like it. Ito guys is, gagamitin naman to ng, binili ko to is for the recognition. Kasi malapit na yung recognition and awarding ng mga bata. So, binili ko to for my second sun. Ayan, ang ganda ng pattern ng materials. Tapos yung materials niya is maganda rin. So, pag in-iron mo to, voila! O, diba? San ka pa niyan? Tapos, ayan, ito naman is yung floral dress. Not for me, but for my daughter. Ooh! Ayan, so I like the one that is kind of like unique. Ito, ganito talaga siya guys, yung design niya or yung style niya, ganyan. Malaki yung sa body. Parang akin na to Oh, dyan. Yeah, ganyan siya guys. Ang ganda, ang ganda-ganda. Ang galing naman. Yan, tapos, of course. Oh, diba? San ka pa? Tapos, okay, this one is, okay, that's all on the bag. So, this one is, nakikita nyo guys, is for formal kasi graduation ng anak ko yung oldest one. Tingnan yung pagkakatupi nila, ang galing. So, kailangan nila is yung, at least, yung parang formal. So, ayan. Formal talaga to. So, first time niya gagamit ng mga ganito. Kasi ayaw niya talaga. So, I'm not even sure why he agreed to get this one. Actually, he's the one who decided to wear like this. So, it's cool. O, ayan guys. So, nakatupi pa siya guys. Ayan, nakatupi. Tapos, o tingnan. Ay, naku. Oh, no. Parang may ano siya. I just need to wash it. Parang may, mark siya. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. But, yeah, it's, okay, yeah. I think it's cool. Yeah, materials is nice. The made is nice. Nakatupi pa yan, guys. Tapos, ito yung corbata. And then, ito yung a vest. Ang ganda. Tamang-tama to. Yes, ito yung vest. Yung size nito is 14. Ayan, 14. Tapos, complete suit na talaga siya, guys. O, ayan. It comes with a pants. Tapos, tingnan nyo, guys. Yung kagandahan nito is may, ano dito, may adjustable na yung elastic na pwede mo i-adjust yung pants kasi my son is very skinny. Ayan. So, kaya minsan mahirap talaga kasi minsan is bitin yung pants tapos yung sa waistline is ang luwag-luwag. So, ang hirap bumili ng pants. So, but this one actually it's very nice kasi may elastic yung waistline niya. Ayan, complete na yung ano. So, yung hindi ko pa na-try guys is yung mga shoes nila. So, I'm not sure how the shoes are but my husband ordered some and it's actually very nice. So, next time I think I'm gonna try to order some shoes. And, ang ganda guys. Ang ganda nitong pants. Tapos, yung bibilhin ko na lang sa anak ko is yung shoes. Kasi, hindi na yata makakahabol if I order some. Kasi, yung graduation nila is on the 23rd. So, hindi na siya makakahabol. I don't think so. Kaya, bibili na ako ng shoes niya sa store. Pero, ang ganda nitong ano. Kahit yung feel nito, ang lambot-lambot. Oh, joke. Yes, malambot siya. Malambot yung pants. Ayan, so, ayan yung suit. Ganito siya, guys. Hindi ako kumuha ng parang, ano, yung, parang Americana. Ito yung kinuha ko. Actually, he likes to wear that one, but I think it's just too much. So, ito yung kinuha ko. Ganyan siya, guys. So, of course, yung shoes na lang yung kulang. Oh, diba? Saan ka pa? Oh, ayan. Ayan. Tapos, guys, ito naman is, okay, this one is, I'm not sure if it's gonna fit on me kasi, yung sizes nila is, it's so hard to find. Yeah, I think it's big on me. But, hold it. Oh, it comes with a belt. Okay. Wow. Okay. I don't think it's bad. It's kind of baggy, but I think with a belt. Siya guys, ayan. It comes with belt. With a belt, guys, I think it will work. Yan. Yeah, I think mag-work siya. Ang galing naman. So, now that I know their sizes, so, ito siya guys, yung bottom niya is maganda yung materials. Pero yung top is, parang see-through. So, pag mag-ano ka ng undergarments, dapat is yung darker color yung gamitin mo para hindi siya pero maganda siya guys, maganda. I'm not saying it's not good, but it's actually real good. Tapos, ayan, makikita niyo yung pattern na kinuha ko is yung vertical. Para naman, we look tall and skinny. Oh, diba? And then, this is the last one. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Oh, okay, it's not bad, it's not bad. Yeah. Wow, okay, not bad. See, parang malaki lang yung, okay, it's not so bad actually then. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna wear heels, tapos hindi mo na siya kasi kunting lang na, medyo, siguro kasi hindi ko pa siya sinusuot, kaya medyo hanggang talaga. So, but guys, it's actually very nice. I'm gonna actually try them on. Ayan guys, so I think I would say this is a success. Ayan, success na naman. So next time is magta-try ako mag-order ng mga shoes nila. Tapos yung mga damit, because I have a lot of stuff that I like from them. So ayan lang guys, thank you so much. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. Thank you guys.